Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Discover not working. So to start, open Google app. Next, tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings in the top right. Then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Now at the top, select clear app history. Tap clear all and select clear cookies to clear cache. Then tap clear all to confirm. Once done, close this. Next method is to go to the top and then swipe it and look for delete last 15 minutes to delete your history. So tap delete last 15 minutes. So once done, close Google app and reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. Next method is to open your settings, then scroll down and go to general. Scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and look for Google app or Google, then tap show all, then look for Google. So open it. Next, tap offload app. So this will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Tap offload app again to confirm. Then tap reinstall app to place back your data and just wait for it to process. Once this is done, open Google app again and see if that fixed the issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.